the exercise of third chapter, class 3 and subject SST. Today, your chapter the blue planet, and we will learn about the exercise in this chapter. Everybody, open your this book and open the page number 21. Page number 21. Page number 21. At first, see the exercise A. Fill in the blanks. The earth, first question, the earth appears blue when seen from outer space. The earth appears blue when seen from outer space because it is mostly covered with dash. I say that our earth is called blue planet. Why? Because our earth, the major portion of our earth surface, approximately 70% of our earth surface is covered by the water bodies. So it looks blue from the outer space. It looks blue from the outer space because the major part of the earth surface is covered by water. So this is for this reason it refers our earth refers as a blue planet. Okay. So which is the correct answer? The earth appears blue when seen from outer space because it is mostly covered with water body, or we say ocean. Next, second question. Second question is about dash percent of the earth surface is covered with the oceans. Tell me about the what percent of the earth surface is covered with the oceans. 70%. Yes. 70% area of the earth surface is covered with water oceans. Next question, number 3. That is the largest continent. We learned the largest continent in our previous class. The largest continent is Asia. The correct answer here, Asia is the largest continent. Next question, number 4. That is an instrument which is used to find direction. Which instrument we use to find direction? We use that instrument to find direction. This instrument name is magnetic compass. Which instrument? The instrument name is compass. Next, that is the smallest ocean. That is the smallest ocean. Tell me about the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Next, look at the question number B. Look at question number B. Match the following. Here given some option and match the following. Here they have given some Earth, Globe, Atlas, largest ocean, GPS, and this side also given some options. Book of Maps, latest technology to find direction, blue planet, model of Earth, and the space. देखो here book of maps. First of all, they are given book of maps. we have know that atlas is a collection of some book of maps. Atlas is a some collection of book of maps. In an atlas there are some various types of maps which is collect all types of map, and these all maps are set in a book. So this collection of maps is called atlas. So there are atlas and book of maps. What is atlas? Which is atlas? Map, book of maps is called atlas. In this box we write the answer number 3. Books of map is called atlas. Next, latest technology to find direction. The latest technology to find the direction. Art no, globe it also no, atlas, large distribution no, GPS, global positioning system. GPS mainly used for find direction, which is the latest technology. So in this box we write V or 5. GPS, global positioning system, is the latest technology to find direction. Next question number, blue planet. We say that blue planet, our Earth is a blue planet. So this box we arrange here 1. Earth is the blue planet. Next, largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. And model of Earth. Model of Earth. We have told that globe is a model of spherical Earth. Or we have said that globe is a spherical model of Earth. So model of Earth is globe. And last, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Next, answer the following. Why is Earth referred to as a blue planet? Our Earth referred as a blue planet because our Earth surface, in our Earth surface, more than 70% area is covered with water, and what this cause, our Earth looks blue from outer space, so it refers as a blue planet. Next, continent. Continent is the landmass portion of our Earth which is surrounded by our oceans. Next, ocean. Ocean is the water bodies in our Earth. Total water bodies in our Earth is called ocean. Name the continent and ocean that the Earth comprises of. We have already said name of the in our previous class, the continent name and the ocean name. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America and South America, and Antarctica is our continent, and the ocean names are mainly Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Southern Ocean. These are the oceans name. Next question number 3. What do we understand by globe? We also, I have said our globe. Globe is a spherical model of the Earth, and it represents total whole of our Earth, and it is a three-dimensional. It is a three-dimensional diagram, but it not easy to carry from one place to another place. Next, what is the magnetic compass? Magnetic compass is a one type of compass which is mainly used for find direction, and GPS also an instrument which is used to find the direction, but GPS is a modern technology and compass is not modern, it used the ancient time. Next question, name the four major direction. We have know that the main four direction: east, west, north and south. Differentiate between globe and map. Differentiate between globe and map. What is globe and what is map? We have read in a previous class that globe is a three-dimensional diagram. Globe is a three-dimensional diagram, and our map is two-dimensional diagram. Or we also call it flat. It represents the flat surface in our earth. Next, represents whole earth, but map represents the whole earth or maybe some part of our earth. Next, it difficult to easy, but it easy to it difficult to carry. It is not easy to carry, but it easy to carry. Okay, thank you.